and this is the Adobe Premiere interface. In this software, it consists of lot of panels, lot of tools. So when you open the Premiere like this, you will get a lot of windows. So first, before doing editing into the Premiere, before jumping into the Premiere, first you have to understand the concept of tools and panels. This is the tool where you can import the projects, we can import the files. Means import the projects means we can import the multiple projects, we can import the video files, we can import the audio files, we can import the image files like this. So this is the panel where you can import the footage, the montage, and beside the window is called source window. In this window, whatever the source files in the project window, if you click on the project window, in source window, the original videos will play. The raw footage which is not edited will be shown on the source monitor. Besides, you can have effect controls. Means if you want to create effects, it will show the effect controls. And again, audio mixer and source. And beside the source monitor, there is one more window called program window. This window, a lot of people will also call as output monitor, editor window, preview window, final output window. The people call as like this. Below this panel, here, this one, it is called as timeline. In this timeline, all the editing can be done. From short film, promos, ads, presentations, everything, the editing can be done in the timeline only. From editing, audio mixing, effects, transitions, color corrections, everything can be done in timeline. And left side of the timeline window, you can have media browser. In media browser, you can see the drives where you can see we can able to import the footage, we can able to browse. This is just like a browser. It will show the information of that particular file where you have imported. And effects is the tool set. It will contains all the video effects, audio effects, transition effects required for the editor to customize the video and audio. And besides the effects, here have markers. So markers will be discussed later when you are doing in editing. And in the timeline, some tools called audio. This is audio meter tool. And beside the in between timeline and the video browser, there is one tool. This is tool palette. These tools consist of all editing material, editing tools. What does means? For example, a wood carpenter, if you want to carve a door in the form of design, he needs several type of curvature tools, carpenting tools for the wood. Like this, for editing, it requires a lot of tools for editing and trimming. So these tools are the editing tools required for video and audio editing. This is the Adobe Premiere interface. This is the project window. This is the source window. This is the output window. Final output window. This is the timeline. This is the tool palette. This is the media browser. And this is the audio meter. Now we will discuss about the file menu in Premiere. The file menu is common in all the softwares. Either it's a MS Paint program or text or MS Word program. The first options in file program are new, open, close, and save, exits. These are all similar in all the programs except the shortcut keys. The shortcut keys you have to remember when you are doing editing in depth, because the most of the professional editors in the world will use the shortcut keys to get the faster editing. Without the shortcut keys, the editing will be little bit painful. Means whatever the editing time you are doing for huge amount of clips, by using shortcut keys, the editing time will be very much suppressed. Means you can reduce the time by using shortcut keys. So file menu is a menu where you can able to create a new project, import media, exit the project. Where in edit you can do the similar things like undo and redo. Just you can see this kind of thing in all the softwares. And in edit, an important menu, that is preferences. All of you has to learn preferences when you are getting into any new software first. What these preferences consist of? Preferences consist of some interesting things. By using these preferences, you can able to allot the system how much memory, how much RAM, how much physical processor required, how much graphic processor required, and how much project and autosave, text, title, effects, like this. So many kind of thing it will be allocated for your system according to your editing needs. So first is the general tab. In general tab, there is some options. These options will be discussed when you are in the editing process. But in this, we will do some kind of tweakings before doing editing. See, there are some kind of options, but I am not discussing right now. But I will go to the next clip, that is appearance. In the appearance, how the Premiere interface look and feel when you are doing. Suppose if you are working in a darker environment, you can put dark, light, and dark. This is according to your custom needs. And audio is the thing where you can use your sound card and audio hardware to show the audio different sound card settings. Audio output mapping, autosave. And compulsory you have to autosave first before doing editing process. Why? Because if it doesn't save autosave, the projects will be gone. So be careful. If when you're in the autosave, click automatically save project button to be enabled and click every 2 minutes, because when I'm doing editing for the first time, you have to save the editing for each and every 1 minute. For each and every minute, the editing is going to save. Why? Because if the software gets hanged, your project can't be get back. In that cases, whatever the project you are saving for 1 minute, it is going to save. The next option is maximum project versions. The project can be saved up to 5 versions. Means your project can be renamed as, suppose for example, if I give the project name called sample project, it will save as sample project 1, sample project 2, sample project 3 up to 5 times. So it is better to keep 5 versions. So it will be very useful when you are getting power cut, hanging program, you can able to retrieve the back versions. And next is the capture. The capture, when you are capturing any kind of video into the Premiere, it will show that kind of things. And device controls is a device control where you can able to access different camera controls. See, there are a lot of different camera controls used in thing, and this is used for all type of camera recording purpose. And next is label control. You can give the label colors, label defaults. You can give the label color, something colored, media. And this is also a little bit important when you are doing an editing. See, save media cache files. Save media cache files. These are temp files location where the editing will be done at the background process inside the windows. In any editing software, it is starting from seconds, frames, minutes and hours. So it depends upon the editor, an artist, based on the work. In this, see how much memory is allocated for this to work for the editing. So in my system, the installed RAM is 7.9 GB and output is rendering for performance. Suppose I'm having the good graphic card installed in my system, so I can use performance. Suppose if a system is having more amount of RAM, that is like 16 GB, I will put memory instead of performance. So it depends upon your needs according to the system. And next, playback, there are some options. Default player is Adobe Premiere, and titles and trim. So in general preference, it will indicate some of the important concepts like auto save, color, background color changing, that kind of things you have to do. And I will say okay. In this interface, in these panels can be detachable, draggable. See, if I see the orange window, you can drag. If you click the window, you can drag. If you click, it becomes orange highlighted, you can drag. And if you click anywhere, if it becomes orange, you can able to drag. And if you want to dislocate, click this button. You click this button and say undock panel. So it will be, this panel will be undocked. Like this, you can able to undock all panels. This top right. See, now all the panels are undocked. But you will get one confusion that all the panels are undocked. How I can able to reset these all panels? So that's why I'm going to explain why Adobe Playback interface consists of. Because a lot of people will be a lot of confusion. Some of the panels will be closed suddenly, so they can't able to retrieve. So that's why I undock all the panels. In order to retrieve all to a proper restore proper state, go to Window, Workspace, and you have to say recent current workspace. If you click this button and say yes, all windows will allocate to its proper position without undocking from its original location. See, all the windows has been located properly in its own position. This is the interface of Adobe Premiere. In the next topic, I will explain how to import the videos, montages, projects inside this project window. Please subscribe to my channel in the below link so that you can get more updates and more lessons. So please subscribe.